Like, I can't concentrate because I'm over here looking at how you making everything. I heard about your
40
Sunday, your Sunday season, which I want to take some home with me.
I got you. You know I got you.
Okay.
Now listen, everybody want to know. Well, is she single? Is she married? Is she engaged? Is she dating?
They all know I ain't married no more.
You ain't married no more.
Right, but I am single.
Okay.
And looking.
And you were married.
Yeah, I was.
Not to that dude from
Turks and Caicos.
Oh yeah, I heard about Buddy.
Which made me the first African American actress to be a first lady.
Oh, big, y'all.
I don't know, but it's been a very long time since LisaRaye was married to her ex-husband. Only married for 2 years, and they've been divorced for at least 14 years, almost 15 years. But she's still holding on to all of that. She'll never get over Dwayne Martin and stop blaming him for their marriage. And it seems like she was just very happy and excited about the title. But shout out to Trick Daddy and LisaRaye. This comes from Trick Daddy's show, I Got My Pots. If you're from Miami-Dade County, drop 305 below in the comments. Shout out to all of y'all. Take a second to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Click that notification bell for all updates. Won't waste any time. Let's go ahead and jump back into it.
So I made that gravy with the 40 weight. That's what we call it in the hood.
Normally I take that little tip right there and suck on that bone and see what that crust do. I can do that.
You want to suck on the bone?
I can do that.
Yeah, suck on the bone.
That,
I mean, if you think, see, when they see you sucking on that bone, you know they gonna go really crazy. And them is some real eyes too. Them are real eyes. They look scary.
Lick on the fingers.
Oh my God.
Does that make your finger looking good? That crust is right. Listen to that.
And I love my people from Chicago, but we gotta keep it 100. You can't take them heifers nowhere. LisaRaye, just like Ari Fletcher doing all this licking and stuff, that's why that man had to divorce you off that island. You can't be the first lady or the queen carrying on like this. You're gonna need some etiquette classes first. And by the way, Lisa, she is single, and I think that she was flirting with Trick Daddy a little bit throughout this whole episode. So that was pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and jump back into it.
Right.
Y'all hear us sucking?
You hear me sucking?
Yes, I hear you sucking.
You hear me sucking and chewing?
I hope you don't get burnt over here trying to listen to you suck and then put this chicken in this grease.
When you turn the mic up there. I don't want to make him feel like I'm just jealous where I don't trust the fact that he can have a female friend. That's not real, because I get along with men better than women, because women make me want to,
and I noticed that about you because a lot of women these days do things to please other women. They don't know how to please the man.
I'm not doing any of that to please anybody. I mean, family is number one, but you got to be number one here. If I'm not okay with it and I don't feel comfortable, then it ain't happening. Period.
What about a pass? What about a pass? Let's say you knew something he done.
Like what? Because you got to be specific.
Okay, so remember this. I feel like this. I feel like a woman and a man should not be together or stay together if the woman ain't being the woman. Okay. Because a man could be a man or you really a woman is what am I saying. But I think the man is supposed to pay the bulk of the bills, take the bulk of the responsibility, and the women is supposed to make sure that man is happy, able to go out there and get that money and come home and take care of his family.
Well, you threw me off when you said the bulk of the bills.
I mean, like the mortgage, the shit you pay.
I mean, he paying the bills is what I'm saying.
Well, you gotta get something, LisaRaye. You gotta get the light bill.
Giving the man. What do you mean?
The water, but he giving you.
Lisa did not like that, but I'm showing you this so you can see where the younger girls got it from. The City Girl wasn't invented just a couple of years ago. The LisaRayes of the world, they've been the City Girls, the fast money girls, the D-boys girlfriends type of girls, the get money by any means necessary type of girls. These older women that's now in their 50s and 60s, they're the ones that taught this game to the younger ones. And that's where they get the idea that they don't have to do anything but have relations. And the sad thing is that they really think it's worth the same. 20 years old to 30 years old to 40 years old, 50, 60. They think it all has the same value.
Right. But that's supposed to be, let's take it back biblically. Biblically, the man is supposed to be the provider and the king of the household. Now the wife, the woman, is supposed to be the mother of the household. She takes care of the house. Now we new millennial women, so that's a bonus that we get.
Okay, so
Yeah, and while we're bringing up the Bible, it also said that the woman is supposed to submit to the man. But modern women, y'all like to protest that whole idea. They're not traditional, but they want men to be traditional providers and protectors. It's so bad y'all even got some of these modern men out here soft shoeing and don't even want to say the word submit to you. And that's a whole nother problem. Soft shoeing around these women and not telling them directly what you want, it's not going to get you what you want. It's just going to allow the modern woman to walk all over you. You're not going to compromise with them.
Gotta be evenly yoked. The hustle gotta match the hustle.
I'm gonna tell you what get off thrown when it get thrown off.
You pay the mortgage. You can't ask me to pay the light bill because I pay the mortgage.
I'm gonna tell you what get thrown off. I'm gonna tell you what get thrown off.
Damn thing. That's what I say.
When you're sick of me, you gonna tell me to get out.
I should not be sick of you because you're supposed to be doing everything that you're supposed to be doing.
So why? So let's go back.
Make me do what I need to be doing.
Let's go back to the Bible. Let's go back right after the Bible. Let's go back right after the Bible.
I think we need to go to commercial because I think I need to get you together.
No. Let's go back right after the Bible. Right after the Bible.
Okay.
Did your daddy pay for your wedding?
No.
See, that's what right there.
My father was not living. That's why.
Okay, so.
But it would have still been $1 million wedding, believe that. Okay.
Man, you gotta love these old school divas. That's where the millennials got it from. And now the zennials, the let me have these high priced weddings, go into all this debt before we even get into a marriage. And then when they get into a marriage, they have a low value marriage. The marriage so bad that most of them can't even last 5 years now. Yeah, it came from the old school divas like Lisa. Listen at her talk that talk.
The father is supposed to give their daughters away to the man. And the man is supposed to, at that point, take care.
On all the responsibility.
Okay.
And my father
now,
was a king and I was a princess. Right now I'm a queen, so you gotta come with it.
Okay, so now,
you don't be stuck.
For me to be paying all the bills, let's say I'm paying all the bills.
That just let me know that you weren't used to it, but okay.
Here we go with the sign language. That's why it's hard for them to keep a man. You see it right here.
Let's say I'm paying all the bills. No, that's the problem. I've paid all the bills for many of years.
So that's what you feel the problem is. If you wouldn't have paid all the bills,
maybe you could have had a break. So I can't afford to be a cheater, can I?
I mean, here's the thing. If she's doing what she's supposed to be doing,
there you go.
Then you shouldn't even want to be a cheater.
There you go.
Because I asked my men that I've dated throughout the years, before we get to that point, give me an opportunity to change it, to make a difference before you go down. Now, if you got a guy that just has wandering eyes, I mean, that's cool. Have a wandering eye. You can look all you want to. But give me that chance to say, hey, baby, something missing in our relationship that is making you want to do that. Because, see, I can be Becky, I can be Tanya, I can be Shaquita, and I can be Diamond.
Right.
Now, what is she talking about? You know you can't be Becky. And Lisa, you can't be Diamond either. That was like 25 years ago. At this point, you're supposed to be in the kitchen baking cookies for your grandkids. At what point are you going to stop playing this Diamond role? We're in 2022. That was in 1998.
He shouldn't have to go no place else to be seeing nobody else.
So, in other words, the problem with men and women are this.
They want a variety.
First of all, they
want to switch it up. You want some spice. You don't let the spice go down.
You have to be attracted to the person that you plan on being.
Well, you should have been there when you chose her and when she chose you.
A lot of people not. A lot of women these days.
I don't know nothing about that.
You have to be. I'm responsible for the men. You're responsible for the women. You got to get your women together. You got to get them together.
One at a time. We starting right now. You know what? We need to have a podcast then.
Yeah, we
speak on the men behalf. I speak on the women behalf. Because I'm sure gonna teach them how to pay. Not pay all the bills. That's one thing I'm gonna do.
And they have to stop always trying to impress. Okay, what we do. Here's some things.
I don't like
things we don't like. This is a preview for the show. Some things that we don't like. You don't have to put that goddamn lace wig on every day.
Especially if it ain't right.
You don't have to put it on every day.
If it ain't right, just don't do it at all. And put them bands right there like we don't know what's behind and under the bands.
And everybody ain't got baby hairs, okay? So stop.
Or good hair.
If you want to take a picture with me, you put a filter on. Now I got on lipstick and eyelashes.
Oh, and eyelashes. Like mops. You know, if you put on eyeshadow, put your lash on after the eyeshadow. Because the remnants of that, you don't want that. Come on. See that? You don't see that? See that? Tyra, she made my face up this morning. Ain't no remnants of no eyeshadow there. I like to do this right here.
And you cannot be friends with women that can't keep a man. A woman with 5 baby daddies, promiscuous, you can't be their friends. You can't hang out with them because they want you to do things. A woman will have you ride with her to see her friend, and it's a nigga waiting on you, and she done gave your pussy and you won't even realize it.
Okay, so would that be like when y'all take y'all homies and your bros and your y'all, and you go see somebody and then there's a chick over there? Would that be like the same thing you're saying?
And 9 times out of 10, that chick over there, he got to take one for the team.
I think for a show, LisaRaye and Trick Daddy's personalities, they will work well together. But shout out to Trick Daddy and CO. If you want to watch the full episode, the link is below. And make sure you tell them that Pink Book Lesson sent you. Now, if Lisa didn't have the city girl mentality and she was more of a traditional woman, she would have definitely been a wife right now and not single, looking for a man in her 50s. For any of the guys out there looking for an OG city girl, LisaRaye is the original from Chicago. All these other girls today running around, they're her children, they're knockoffs. But she's the original and she's available on the market and actively looking. She's in her mid-50s, working woman, providing for 4 generations under one roof, her mother, daughter, granddaughter, and of course herself. So if you're serious about Lisa, you're gonna have to have money. Money is a major issue. Miami, you need multiple millions, at least 2 to 3 million a year to be able to pay all her bills. She's not paying for anything. She needs you to come in and take over her bills. Take over her 4 generations of responsibilities and have extra money for extravagant gifts and trips here and there too. In exchange, she's going to give you access to her hot pocket. That's the prize. Seriously though, I think Lisa, she's had plenty of men over the past 15 years interested in doing all of that. I think the problem is her mouth getting in the way. And that's when they forget about the whole diamond routine that initially attracted them. But Lisa, she's already aware of what to do. She's from Chicago. Her folks originally from Mississippi. So shout out to all my Chicago people from Mississippi. Lisa knows how to get a man and what they want. What you're looking at right now is a middle-aged woman with the princess queen complex still going on, the city girl mindset mixed in with the low-strength version of a rebel. So let's go ahead and get the conversation started below. I think it's her mindset, but outside of that, what's stopping Lisa from being able to keep a man? And from this example alone, can you see how the OG city girls totally influence the modern day city girls? Special thank you to Paul. I appreciate you, Paul, for all of your support, as well as Odiri and Wonderlusty Mexico. Want to see more content like this? You can support the channel too. Links to Cash App and PayPal are below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.